Another huge leak has surfaced with the DJI Mavic 3. Stay tuned because you don't want to miss a thing. Before we get into the video, I want to tell you guys real quick about TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is an SEO tool that has been helping me grow this YouTube channel, and the results are very clear. If you want to check it out, I'll leave a link in the description below. Let's get into the video. Nobody saw this leak coming. It literally came out of left field, and it's really showing that the DJI Mavic 3 is right around the corner. In my last video, we talked about how they are ramping down production of the DJI Mavic 2 Pro, which is to be expected when DJI needs to free up that space to start producing the new model of the drone, the DJI Mavic 3. Well, now we are actually seeing actual photos of the DJI Mavic 3's shell. So basically here in this first photo featured on Drone XL, we're looking at like the back end of the drone. The next photo shows the front end and the back end. As you can see, it has very similar look to the DJI Mavic Air 2, and the back of the drone definitely proves that that battery is sliding into the back like we have talked about in past leaks. The third photo is presumably showing what the battery might look like, if I'm not mistaken. You can see the 4 cutouts for the little lights that show you the battery level, and then what I assume is next to that will be where the button is to turn it on. It definitely looks like a new designed battery for sure. I mean, it kind of has to be, because with the Mavic 2, you're putting it in on top. This is going to go in the back like the Phantom. So this is very different and very cool to see. So in this part of the Drone XL article, it says, what do these detailed DJI Mavic 3 images show? Only 2 front sensors. Top sensors might be placed in the front arms. Alternatively, the front sensors might be angled slightly upwards. Air scoop on top. We have seen this in the leaked Mavic 3 photos before. The airflow will be needed for better cooling of the huge battery. Battery loads from the back, which we already went over. The first time we see the all-new battery, which we already went over that too. It's really a new design. A tough and robust body and flat bottom. So this is a pretty big leak. It shows us a lot of what this drone is going to look like, even down to what the battery is going to look like. I mean, it's absolutely insane to see this. So now let's talk about a release date. What we're seeing here based on this leak is that we're probably not going to see the drone until the end of August or September. And that is really interesting because the DJI Mavic 2 was released in August of 2018, I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong, but August of 2018 at the end of the month, just like this leak is saying. So it's very interesting to see that. I think it's very likely that DJI will follow a similar release as they did with the Mavic 2. I mean, why wouldn't they? So yeah, guys, I'm really interested to hear what your thoughts are in the comment section below about this new leak. This is very, very exciting because the drone is literally right around the corner, with DJI Mavic 2 production coming to a close this month, and then last month. That was news for June. Now we're in July and we're hearing the drone is coming right around the corner. I'm really sorry about this bug, guys. I stopped recording like multiple times because this bug kept doing this. I'm just gonna finish the video. Anyway, guys, I just wanted to bring you that news. Please make sure to stay tuned because I am gonna have all of the latest Mavic 3 news right here as soon as it comes out. And when the drone comes out, I'm definitely gonna be picking one up. So if you wanna see coverage of the Mavic 3, definitely make sure to hit the subscribe button and notification bell. That way you don't miss any of the videos that I release. And also give the video a thumbs up because it's free and it helps me grow this YouTube channel. And yeah, guys, I really appreciate every single one of you for watching all of my leaks and rumors videos and even all of my other videos here on the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one.